How to write a business plan to start your own business. If you are thinking of starting a business, you should know how to write a business plan. It is usually observed that despite having a great startup idea, most businesses were not successful. According to common statistics, within the first 5 years of operation, 90% of businesses fail, and of the remaining 10%, only 1 out of 10 businesses last past the first 5 years. So what makes some businesses fail while others prosper? There may be several reasons, including but not limited to poor customer service, poor logistics and cost management, and inadequate product. But the major reason is the lack of a business plan. You see, business plans help define goals and achieve them. If you take your time to set important goals and charter your own plan to success, it can help you realize your dream and help your business flourish. I have compiled the areas that need to be considered while writing a business plan. This will help you to define your goals and the path your business needs to take to achieve them. Step 1. Define your vision. When you start a business, you have a clear goal in mind. You know exactly what you wish to achieve with your business. However, after some time, the clarity of your business will become blurred and you will forget some of your brilliant ideas. Writing down your vision for the company will help you to define it, and moreover, it will help your staff identify with the mission. All daily activities of the business can then be aligned with the vision of the business. This should be your first step of writing your business plan. Step 2. Set your goals and objectives for the business. Never assume that your goals need to be small to accommodate your limitations. Think big. Clearly define your short-term goals. The ones that you wish to achieve within the first 12 months. Your mid-term goals, those that will take between 2 to 3 years, and long-term goals, which are usually above 5 years. Consider all aspects, such as the revenue you wish to generate, number of outlets you want, the number of customers you need in your database, your target populations, and age group, as well as the amount of passive income that needs to be generated in the future. Step 3. Define your unique selling proposition. What is it about you that is different from the crowd? Your unique selling point will make you more attractive to potential customers. How is your product or service different from others in the market? It could be anything from additional services to personalized customer service. You could even offer them better after-sales warranty and support. While writing your business plan, you just need to highlight the extras that your customers are going to get from you to make your business stand out. Step 4. Know your market. It often happens that you have a brilliant idea, but someone else have already started with a similar plan. This is a very common occurrence, but you should not let that stop you. How many petrol stations are there in our communities? Several businesses can provide the same service and still survive, as the market is huge and they can sustain multiple businesses. But for this, you should know your market like the back of your hand. Research and find out how many competitors do you have, what services do they offer, what are the current and future trends of the industry. Are there certain benchmarks that can be used to gauge your business performance, such as gross turnover, profit margins, and so on? Once you know the inner workings of the market, you can manipulate them in your favor. This is an important part of learning how to write a business plan. Step 5. Know your customers. Customers are the most important part of any business, and you should know the customers you are targeting in your business. Today, customers are spoiled with choices and they have thousands of options for every product. So if you want them to buy your product, you should know what your ideal customer wants. This is the reason why you need to define your target populations and research their habits while writing your business plan. Understanding the motivation behind customers' actions can make your business successful. You can focus on the areas that grab your customers' attention and stop wasting energy on the rest. Put yourself in their shoes and then think about what will make them choose you each time. Write down the ideas and implement them. Step 6. Research the demand for your business. You must have studied the demand and supply curve. Even if you haven't, it's down to logic that there should be ample demand for your product. Find out the demand before investing in a new business. The basic rule is that demand should be more than supply. If this holds true for your market, your business will thrive. But if the demand is less than the supply, your business will eventually die off. So do your homework and gather as much information as you can. You can do a secondary search right from your home over the internet or your public library. You can even visit government offices for this information. But by far, the best option is primary research, where you interact directly with your customers to know their preferences and how ready they are to buy your products. So hit the road and knock down all the interesting ideas you get to increase the demand. Step 7. Set your marketing goals. Now that you have finished your research and defined your business vision, the next step in writing a business plan is setting up your marketing goals. These are those goals that will define how your product will look like, what it will cost, how you will distribute it, and the ways in which you can promote it. Most businesses do plan this, but they neglect the most important area. You should set up measurable marketing goals that will help achieve your primary business objectives. So questions like the number of products you will sell, what will be your product development strategy, your price margin, delivery methods, and promotion plans should be duly considered. When you ask yourself these questions, they will help you define the goals for marketing your business. Step 8. Define your marketing strategy. Now that you have your marketing goals, you need a plan to achieve them. How many products you need to produce and sell, and at what profit margin so as to get your desired revenue. What will be your system of delivery and your coverage area? What will be the strategies you will imbibe to promote the product or to promote the business, the media that you will use? Be very specific. Plan for every eventuality while writing a business plan. This is a very vital step in writing a business plan, so acquaint yourself with it so that you can navigate through each point successfully. Step 9. Take action. Without action, all else is a waste. This is the most important part of writing a business plan. You can plan all you want, but unless you do the actual work and bring customers to your storefront, you won't earn anything in your business. Even if you find that according to the business plan, your idea isn't viable, don't give up. There are thousands of ideas out there and you can ultimately find one that suits you. If you wish to be wealthy, healthy, and happy, there's a business out there waiting for you to grab it. Your business plan will provide the direction and focus that you will need to take the first step. Writing a business plan isn't difficult at all. You only need to know what you should focus on. Now you now have an idea of what is important and how you should tackle the task of writing a business plan, and you are better equipped to start a successful business. Start your research today. Jot down all the brilliant ideas. Set your goals, define your path, and don't let anyone stop you. For more of our useful videos, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.